One of the best AUV dito sa atin sa Pilipinas kaya sobrang trusted at tested na. For only 80,000 pesos, all in cash out. No hidden charges, no hidden fees. Mauuwi mo na to. Happy na ang buong family. I got you ulit. So this is the 2017 Mitsubishi Adventure GLS manual transmission. Exterior wise, fresh original paint at two-tone na rin to. 16 inches alloy wheels, makakapalang tires at sa harap. Smoke and LED headlight, fog lamps, may chrome accent yung grille at 8 ang ending. At sa engine naman, it's a 2.5 liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder manual transmission engine. Ito yung legendary 4056 engine ng Mitsubishi. Sobrang tibay at sobrang reliable and of course, low maintenance lang. At syempre, napakaganda ng kondisyon ng makina. Magdala ka ng scanner at mekaniko para ma-assure mo. At sa pinakalikod, orig pa yung mga lens. May rear camera na rin to at sa trunk. Maluwag ang trunk space at meron siyang third row seat at pwede mong i-fold kung may ilalagay kang gamit. At ang favorite part ko, pag medyo short ka, pwede mo siyang isara gamit to. Teknolodya. At na-mention ko ba na 7 to 9 passengers na rin to, kaya kasyang-kasya ang buong family. At dito sa loob, intact na headliner, leather seat na merong armrest, storage space dito, touchscreen infotainment system, 5-speed manual, stick-o, center console, at maayos na leather steering wheel. May mga controls dito, analog display with 80,000 kilometers on the clock only. At sa likod naman, okay ang leg, shoulder, and headroom. 6 foot ang height ko. Meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 air vents, aircon controls, 2 cup holders at armrest with another 2 built-in cup holders. Kaya itong kotse na to, sobrang tibay at sobrang reliable. Pag binili mo to, habang buhay na sa inyo to, hindi na siya masisira. So kung gusto niyo to, for only 80,000 pesos, all in cash out, no hidden charges, no hidden fees, and 15K monthly for 4 years. Sa cash naman, mauuwi mo na to for only 485,000 pesos. So kung gusto mo to, tumawag ka na, i-reserve mo na to. Thank you guys, peace out.